He stayed where The Undertaker performed, at Las Vegas's newest ultra-luxury resort, the Fontainebleau. Everyone else paid $1,500 a night to get this close. But he paid just $263, front row seats, 2 nights, and VIP treatment. How? One card, one phone call, and one smart travel hack. Welcome to Jetset Sibs, luxury for less. Subscribe now for luxury travel hacks that actually work, and get the insider tricks the travel vloggers don't tell you. Here's what the Platinum American Express card got us at the Fontainebleau Las Vegas during WrestleMania week. $200, fine hotels and resorts credit, early check-in and late check-out, complimentary room upgrade when available, concierge access to sold-out events, front row tickets to WrestleMania weekend shows worth $1,500 each, paid only $263. Skip the traffic convenience with events hosted inside the hotel. VIP service from start to finish. During WrestleMania week, the Fontainebleau was the place to be. The Undertaker's One Dead Man show, the NXT TakeOver event, and after parties, all happening right here. Michael, one of the Jetset Sibs, checked in using the Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts portal. The room, upgraded on arrival. Check-in, early before the crowds, and the concierge, that's where the real magic happened. While thousands were fighting traffic on the strip, he was already there. WrestleMania's energy below, skyline above. That's what we call luxury for less. Stick around because we're about to reveal the exact Platinum Amex trick that turned $1,500 event tickets into a $263 VIP experience, plus $200 off the room. Here's the secret behind the Platinum American Express card. The same benefits that turn premium travel into affordable luxury. $600 hotel credit per year through Fine Hotels and Resorts, or the Hotel Collection. Early check-in and late check-out, perfect for maximizing weekend getaways. Complimentary room upgrades when available. A $100 property experience credit for spa, breakfast, or dining. 5 times points on flights and hotels booked through Amex Travel. $400 dining credit. $100 per quarter. Centurion Lounge, access to skip airport chaos and relax in style. Clear Plus and TSA, pre-check credits for faster airport entry every time. Concierge access for exclusive or even sold-out events like WrestleMania. $240 digital entertainment credit and $155 Walmart Plus credit for your everyday perks. Real luxury comes from knowing the system. You don't need to spend more to live luxuriously. You just need to know how to spend smart. And that's exactly what we show you here on Jetset Sibs. Here's the exact trick we used. When booking Fontainebleau through Fine Hotels and Resorts, we asked the MX concierge if they had partner events or local VIP listings. Within minutes, they offered exclusive front row seats to The Undertaker's One Dead Man show for $263 per ticket. Same seats, same show, just access through Amex's event network. And because it was booked under the Fine Hotels and Resorts program, we got $200 hotel credit, 12 p.m. early check-in, 4 p.m. late checkout, free breakfast credit, and an upgrade to a strip view suite. That's the real power of the Platinum card, not just the metal, but the network behind it. While most people see an expensive annual fee, travelers like us see a strategy. If you're new here, we're Jetset Sibs, 3 siblings traveling the world in style using credit card points, travel perks, and AI-powered hacks. From first-class flights to 5-star stays, we show you how to unlock luxury experiences without paying full price. We blend real-life vlogs with cinematic storytelling, so every video entertains, inspires, and teaches. Luxury for less, smart spending, big rewards, the Jet Set way. He paid $263 instead of $1,500. He skipped the Vegas crowds. He walked straight into The Undertaker's live show. All thanks to one card, the Platinum American Express. And the best part? You can do this too. On your next trip, whether it's Vegas, Dubai, or Paris, use these same hacks to turn your next stay into a luxury for less experience. Subscribe to Jetset Sibs for weekly videos that teach you how to fly, stay, and live like luxury travelers without the luxury price tag.